Let's talk about contempt. There's two different kinds, and you need to be able to know the difference. My name is Carl Burkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for about 9 years, and I'm going to help you make law easy by understanding what it means to be charged with or found to be in contempt of court and what the differences are. Since I mentioned differences, we'll start there. There's two different types of contempt. Direct contempt of court. This is what happens when you're directly in court, in front of the judge, violating the judge's rules, instructions, or orders, and or just behaving in a terrible manner in the courtroom. Indirect contempt of court. It does not happen in court. That's why it's indirect. You're indirectly violating an order of the court outside of the courtroom. An example being, and this is kind of a silly one, you were ordered not to chew bubble gum walking down the street, but you just had that piece of double bubble sitting in your pocket and you popped it as soon as you left the courthouse. That's indirect contempt of court. You were ordered to do something by the judge. Once you were no longer in the judge's presence, you did the thing, as opposed to direct contempt of court. Let's say, for example, you go to court and you're wearing a baseball cap. You have no idea how often that happens. And you're told by either the judge or his deputy or his bailiff or some big dude wearing a gun and a badge, take your hat off. If you don't do that, if you refuse to comply, that's direct contempt of court, and you can be arrested immediately for it. Contempt, whether it's direct or indirect, is a criminal offense, and it carries up to 6 months in jail and a $500 fine. Be very aware of what you're doing, whether it's through your custody case, your divorce case, your civil lawsuit, whatever the court has ordered you to do or not do, follow the court's orders. If you have questions about this, definitely give me a call. I want to make sure that you understand what you need to do and what's required of you so that you don't find yourself in this situation. My name is Carl Burkhead. I'm with Worth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy.